What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick review of Sony ZV-1, the vlogging camera. So let's start it. Inside the retail box you will find some quick start guide, the ZV-1 camera, the dead cat windscreen and the battery. In terms of design, it is very much like other Sony compact cameras but comes with few features and enhancement for vlogging. For example, we got a multi-interface horseshoe where you can connect the dead cat windscreen, a flash or any other external accessory with the camera. The camera itself is lightweight, provides nice grip while holding it, and the shutter and zoom key are placed in a manner that even if you are taking a selfie by holding the camera in front of you, you will be able to use the buttons without facing any issue. There is a dedicated key provided for video recording, and it comes with custom C1 and C2 buttons that you can use to instantly using an assigned camera feature. One of the most important feature of the design of Sony ZV-1 for vloggers is the fully articulate LCD screen. It can rotate at multiple angles, and so you can use it for any kind of video recording you want. It comes with ports for external microphone, HDMI cable and the USB charging. But the drawbacks here of the design of ZV-1 is that it does not come with an electronic viewfinder, there is no flash provided, and the USB charging port we got is a micro USB port. So it would be really nice that at least we could have a USB Type-C port here. For most of the people, the lack of electronic viewfinder is not a deal breaker, because the only time you will feel its need when you are using your ZV-1 in outdoors on a bright sunny day, when you will find sometimes that seeing the images on the rear screen is a bit difficult. Talking about the camera aspects, it comes with lots of details, so if you are interested in knowing all of them, you better visit Sony website. But here I'm going to highlight few of the things that it comes with. 1-inch type XMOR CMOS sensor. It is capable of recording 4K videos at 30 fps, full HD videos at 120 fps. We got 2.7x optical zoom, and it comes with a steady shot that combines the optical and electronic stabilization. Now let's talk about the features, that why it is a camera for content creators and vloggers. So the very first thing is that it comes with an articulate LCD screen that you can rotate to take pictures and record videos. So this is a really helpful feature for content creators and vloggers equally. Another thing is that it comes with an optional shooting grip that is fully compatible with Sony ZV-1, and you can use it to record videos for vlogging and use most of the functionality of the camera on the go without even touching the camera. So you can take the pictures, you can record the videos, you can use the C1 function key, and you can even zoom in and zoom out with the help of the shooting grip without even touching the camera buttons. It comes with 3 directional capsule mics and the dead cat windscreen to provide nice audio recording for your videos. It comes with eye tracking, so when you are vlogging, you will always be in the focus. Another very important feature is the bokeh switch that defocuses background with just pressing the C1 button, and on the C2 we got the product showcase feature. So once you bring a product in front of the camera, then it focuses on the product itself and your face goes autofocus, and once you remove the product from the frame, then camera focuses on your face once again. So these two features are especially very useful for vloggers. And then we got lots of software based features like creative style, picture effect, movie edit, etc. that you can use to apply different filters on your images and videos to enhance them for your production. You can also use the Sony's Imaging Edge mobile or the desktop application to remotely view and control your ZV-1 camera, and with the help of Imaging Edge mobile you can transfer all your photos to your smartphone even when the camera itself is turned off. It comes with lots of camera modes that you can use for different scenarios, but personally I would like to go with the Intelligent Auto. It works most of the time perfectly, and based on the subject and scenarios, it enhances the video and the images accordingly. One drawback here is that due to the lack of pop-up flash, even though if you use the night mode, the output is not that great in low light situations. The autofocus works perfectly and it is very quick, accurate, and you won't feel any issue related to autofocus. Sony ZV-1 captures images and videos with lots of detail. I just wish it had the 4K video resolution at 60 FPS, and then it would be just perfect for video recording. The battery life is not that great. You can take nearly 260 pictures, and if the auto monitor is set to off, then you will be able to take around 400 pictures. And when it comes to video recording, then you can record nearly 45 minutes of videos. So if you're planning to record lots of videos and take pictures from Sony ZV-1, then it would be nice to carry an additional battery or a power bank along with you. Overall, Sony ZV-1 is a great camera for vloggers and any kind of content creators. It comes with a 3-inch LCD screen that you can use at different angles. It got 3 directional capsule mics for great audio quality, along with a bundled windscreen. The Bluetooth shooting grip is a nice accessory that you can use for vlogging purpose. The object and eye tracking is perfect, and unique vlogging related features like product showcase and bokeh switch are really useful for vloggers. Overall, the imaging and video recording quality is great, and so is the audio quality, and it also comes with many software based features to create some nice effects on the images and pictures you have captured. So if you're looking for a compact camera for the vlogging purpose, then Sony ZV-1 is one of the best option available for you. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.